Come with me as I decide to pick what we're going to have in our salad today. Well, we're going to probably put some of this red mustard in it. And since this one is bolting, I'm going to drop it in here. And we're going to do this Chinese cabbage here since it's bolting. Let's see.
This ready.
This ready? Oh yeah, let's get it. And we believe we're gonna have a carrot today.
How are we gonna dig this up, Mrs. Smoke?
I don't know.
Wow.
The dig get bigger. Bigger. Waiting on you.
Almost up. This is not a yellow carrot.
I don't know. You mean orange?
It is not an orange carrot.
We'll take it in the bucket bowl it goes today. Thank you. Alrighty.
Almost out the white carrot, but it's not.
Oh, you be sad. Some of that parsley.
Oh, we could see no more.
Okay, next we're going to add to this salad today. We're gonna get some seeds. This salad gonna be full of items. We're gonna get some spinach. We're gonna pinch this head off so it don't go to seed. Let's see, can I stop it from, oh, maybe not. It's okay. It's getting hot out here anyway. Gonna take from this one. Well, this is a pretty big leaf. Maybe we'll get this one too. Get this one since it's at the ground level. Oh wait, this might be a big salad. And then we're gonna be mixing up stuff, but why not? We haven't had kale in a while. So let's add 2 leaves of kale. And that one. We're gonna work on this. At least we're getting something this year, because last year we did not have it. Having parsley, gotta get some cilantro. Gotta have it. Growing nicely. They came back from the fall, you guys. Try to get the older one that look like bush. But we'll just take all of that. Oh wow. Big little stem fell. Going to flour. We're gonna take that coriander when it comes. Okay, that's our salad for today. So we're not gonna wash all of this bacteria off here, so we know what's in our soil, and so therefore we're gonna feed the body some good bacteria from the soil. Alright, this is our finished salads. Added some seeds and some kimchi. Can't wait for the peppers, tomatoes, and cucumbers to come through this summer. So that's our salad for today. Thanks for watching.